Hey, so today these are some eggs that I hatched that I bred and everything, but they're really cool. Now they weren't actually right in my hands, and they were somewhere there at my friend's house, and so they're some of my snakes. But here's the interesting part. So normally I always cut the eggs. So I didn't cut the eggs, but I wanted to show you how cool when they cut them eggs, their own eggs, what they look like. It can be pretty neat actually. So if you look. All these snakes have cut all over the place, but nobody's out. But there's cuts and slices, and look, there's a tongue. There's a tongue right there. But this one hasn't cut at all. Hopefully he's okay, but I think he is. So far, only one egg's dead, and everybody seems to have cut. It's a titanium clutch. It's a beautiful clutch. It's got a little bit of everything in it, and I see there's an albino. And there should be some cool snakes in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut. I hope that, yeah, there's a motley tiger, it looks like, citron. So I'm gonna cut these now. I'm gonna get these guys out and check it out. So I just thought I'd show you guys how crazy they cut themselves everywhere. Now you can see the blood's already starting to dry up. There's a lot of blood that came out of that end, came out there, came out there. You know, there's some blood here. They bleed inside more when they're cut from the inside, obviously, because there's nowhere else for the blood to go. So, okay, so let's see what we got here. It should be pretty interesting. So let's see here. I don't even need to use a razor blade because they're already open, so I'm gonna use a pair of scissors, but even then, scissors, you gotta be really careful. Actually, more careful than a razor blade, because you can cut anything with this. So, This is I'm still trying to figure out who the dad is. That would appear to be a tiger titanium. It looks a little light to me. And I'm thinking that maybe what I have is I just proved out one of the snakes, one of the motleys to be, yep, it is. So there's a platron tiger. So this might be really good, because this might, well, actually I might have proved out the mother to be het albino and the father, but I'll know more because it depends on, ooh, look at that one's coming out. So somebody asked about a snake coming out. This one's on his way out on his own. He just decided on his own to crawl out right in the middle of this whole thing, which is kind of cool. I hope he's ready. I can't look because it's not cut normal. Let's see, hopefully this one's okay. Look at that, he's on his way whether he's ready or not. No, none of my doing. That's nature in action. And that's a platinum titanium. And I saw there's a motley over there. Come on, back in there. You know what? Let's see here. Whoa. So, he was ready to come out. Man, now I have a snake to deal with. I may have to break this video into a couple videos because that guy's on his road. Come on, come on, come on. So, that is a motley. That's a motley platinum tiger citron, which is a beautiful snake, but that might mean this could be actually, believe it or not, I guess we might have I guess we've hatched a motley platinum. That means we probably, look at that, a citron. Come on, settle down. So that is I think a platinum albino motley. And I'm telling you, we don't have many of those, if we even have one. So that's actually a tiger platinum motley titanium. So this might have some cool snakes in it. There's an albino. There's an albino motley platinum titanium tiger. There's a motley motley titanium. So it looks like the one that didn't cut. Now this egg dried out for some reason, that corner, but that one wasn't going to hatch anyway. So by not cutting this clutch, we've been okay so far. Nobody's had a problem. I'm getting all these, trying to figure out who's who, what's what. Come on, you stay in there, sit. I haven't taught him how to sit yet. So this one here's got a whole bunch of little cuts everywhere. I don't know, guys. I'm sticking with the razor blade. Whoa. It's a pretty one. So, that's a plutonium. So that's a plutonium. Looks like a sun platy plutonium, but I don't know how it can be. I don't think it can be, so let's see here. There's a platinum motley titanium. Man, there's a lot of good babies in this clutch. When I bred them, I wasn't sure which male was working. They were all being kind of shy. And there's a platron tiger. So we can apparently have a super tiger. Let's see what else we got here. Wow, look at that. A platinum, let me see here. Looks like a platinum motley tiger. That's beautiful. Look at that head. Look over here. Look at that. A plutonium motley platinum. I think that is really, really early in the game. I don't think we've made but one or two of those. Wow, that's a beautiful snake. Huh. So motley plutonium platinum. I don't even think we produced that yet, but we have now. I'm glad that male was working. Come on. I'll have to find out. I might be wrong. We got so many cool babies here. Tiger, titanium. Oh, look at that. We got snakes crawling everywhere. That's what happens when they're already hatched out. So that's a plutonium platinum. But let me see here. Oh yeah. Look at this, guys. Oh, wow. You know what's weird? Wow, why are you so unique? I can't figure out why that one's so cool. Ugh, look at that. I've been slimed. Ugh, I'm just trying to cover up for my bad cold, guys. Look at the color on this snake. So it is really pretty. I don't know why it's so unique looking. It's like it's a burgundy color. It's not. It's obviously a motley. It's obviously a platinum. But it looks like a sunfire. That is a really unique looking snake. Man, we're getting some cool looking snakes out of this clutch. Look at that. Another awesome snake. So it's got some really beautiful babies in it. Now these, it's funny is a lot of these snakes are ready to come out. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Just the color on these snakes are tremendous. I don't know how the outside lighting's working, but it's helping too. But man, look at that. Haven't seen one of these for a while. That is a Green lantern. Of course, it ain't very green yet. I could be wrong. A super tiger motley, I think. Super tiger motley titanium. We call them green lanterns, their nickname. You'll see why when they get a little bit older. They're really awesome. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful platinum tiger titanium. Almost looks like a plutonium. So I think that's about it. We got what we got. But boy, there's some good looking snakes. Am I missed anybody to see who's who? Nope, I don't think so. Oh, I haven't seen what that is. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Whew. Beautiful motley tiger. Citron. Everything here is citron because it came from a titanium. Quick, look at this snake. Absolutely insane. It looks, I mean, I don't even know what color you'd call that. It's like peach, and it's, wow, it is really neat. I don't know why it looks so unique. Had to squeeze this in. Baby's just popping out everywhere. Just a couple minutes after the video. Thought I would share it with you guys. This is, but these, like I say, these didn't just cut. These have been cut for at least a day, day and a half. Thought I'd share it with you guys. Look at that albino. Woo! Smoking. So many cool babies. So, let's go find the dad. I'll go get the dad, show you him too. Okay guys, so I told you I'd get the male out. Check him out. Is he cool or what? That's the male. That's a motley titanium platinum, and he's really cool looking. Where are you going, buddy? He's absolutely gorgeous. The color on him is pretty intense. I don't know if he'll film better in the light or not. I don't think so. Here he is out in the sun, living the dream, guys. So I don't know. I think he's beautiful. He's got some cool colors. The yellow from the platinum coming through the motley with the titanium silver chrome on it. It's a pretty snake. Anyway, there, look at his eyes too. He's got some cool eyeballs. Living the dream. These guys all out. Unbelievable colors. They're all piled up. They're not all out, actually. There's still a few in there. The amazing part is that right there isn't an albino. And even looking at it still after knowing it's not an albino, I swear it's an albino. But that's what happens when you're living the dream. You can fantasize about cool stuff too. Anyway, I thought I'd show you guys a little quick video of them. Somebody mentioned we don't show them out of the egg. Well, this clutch we could, so without a big hassle. So we want to try to make it interesting. But whoa, look at the colors on that. Wow. Okay, guys. So we got all kinds of cool snakes. Thought I'd share the video with you. What do you guys think? Is this cool or what? Can you imagine? I mean, I don't know about you guys, but for me, every time I cut a clutch of eggs, it's really cool. I hope you guys are enjoying it when we cut all these eggs. This clutch is not at my facility. It's another place. And I still couldn't help myself from making a video, because this is what I get to do. It's fun. Hope you had a good time. Anyway, hope you guys are having fun. Have an awesome day. Take care.